Hello viewers, this is Too Fast here. In this video I will show you this 21-inch single row LED light bar. This one I have here is from the company Nilight. Now Nilight actually makes a lot of car lighting products, including LED headlights and many different sizes of LED light bars. Now this one I have here has a very nice slim compact design because it's only single row. Many of the light bars you see on the market are dual rows. This one's also rated at 100 watt and it's both a spot and floodlight combo. So let's take a closer look at this 21-inch single row light bar. Now since it's single row, the overall profile is very compact. As you can see, it's very thin. And let me measure this. The overall height is 1 3/4 inch. So it's very compact, which makes installation on vehicles very easy. The entire housing, including the front bezel, is all aluminum. At the back, you have these fins to help dissipate heat. On the front we have a polycarbonate lens, which is shatterproof. Now if you look at the side of the light bar, these 4 reflectors are different than the reflectors you see in the middle. These 4 are floodlights. These ones in the middle are your spotlights. If you look on the other side, we also have 4 more floodlight reflectors. So let me pan the camera to the other side and you'll see the same thing. And these ones in the middle are your spotlights. Here are the floodlights on the right side. Now there are 20 individual high power LED chips, each rated at 5 watts. From the back of the unit there's a pair of wire that comes out, a red wire and a black wire. That's where you connect your 12 volt power source, and that is to illuminate this light bar. You can also pick up a wiring harness from Nilight, and I have one right here. So this wiring harness includes a fuse, a relay, and an on-off switch. And with this wiring harness you can safely run the wire from the light bar all the way into your vehicle, and the 12 volt power is safely fused to the car battery. So now I'll connect my 12 volt power supply to this light, and you'll see the light output and the color temperature. Looking on the left side, you'll see the 4 floodlights have a different light output compared to the spotlights in the middle. Here's a look at the spotlights in the middle. The light output is very bright and the color is pure white. I'm here in my backyard. I'll do a test where I'll shine the light bar from one side of the yard to the other, which is 100 feet away, and then you'll be able to see the light output as far as how bright it is and the beam pattern. That fence you see over there is 100 feet away. As you can see, the light output is very bright. The light output has a nice spot beam in the middle, and the floodlight around the side illuminates the side area. And to give you an idea how this would look if you were to mount this underneath your bumper right here. Being 21-inch and single row, this is perfect for this space. Or you can mount this behind the bumper right here. As you can see, this is a good performing light bar from the company Nilight. With the 100 watt LED light output, it's able to illuminate the area in front of you very well. I like the fact that it has a combination of both a spotlight and a floodlight, so you have a nice spot beam in the middle, and the floodlight is able to illuminate the space around it. The overall build quality is very good. This unit is also IP67 rated, so it's waterproof and dustproof. With its 21-inch length and single row, it allows for easy install on most vehicles. I hope you enjoy watching the review of this light bar, and if you want to learn more about it, I will include the link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comments section, and don't forget to click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.